Hello Airfix fans and welcome back to another retro unboxing. Today we're heading back to the skies and back in time, with a true classic from the golden age of British aviation. On the bench today it's the Airfix 1/72nd scale Bristol Mark 32 Superfreighter. Now this is a kit with real heritage. First released by Airfix all the way back in 1959, the Superfreighter has popped up a few times over the decades, but in 2024 it made a surprise comeback. Announced out of nowhere as part of the vintage classic range, and I have to say, it was a real treat for long-time fans. The aircraft itself is a bit of an unsung hero. Built in the early 1950s, the Bristol Superfreighter was designed for short-haul car ferry flights across the English Channel. It's a sort of plane you'd see loading up Morris Minors and Triumphs at Southampton or Lympne, ready to whisk them off to Cherbourg or Ostend. Inside the box you'll find everything you need to build the Superfreighter in 1/72nd scale. It's a chunky build with a wingspan of just over 45cm and a length of about 31cm. You'll get the iconic nose-leading door, twin-tail booms and some fantastic vintage detailing that really holds up considering the age of the tooling. Have you built the Superfreighter before? Maybe you remember tackling it in your younger years, or you picked it up in the latest re-release. Drop your stories in the comments, we'd love to hear them. So that's the Bristol Superfreighter, a quirky, practical and very British aircraft brought back from the archives as a lovely surprise in 2024. Would you like to see more unusual classics like this re-released by Airfix? Let us know in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time for another retro unboxing.